Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you my skin but better routine, which is this one right here. Perfect for the holiday season with this red lip. Just so you guys know, I use high-end and drugstore products. I can make it just drugstore if you guys want me to. I just don't have like a favorite, you know, all drugstore products for this kind of makeup look, because for real my skin looks flawless. I can keep trying products to see which one will be like this for drugstore, but for now it's a mixture of high-end and drugstore products. But I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. So we're gonna get started with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer, and this is the matte one. I really like this one, and I like how it looks with the foundation and concealer combo that, oh my god, with the foundation and concealer combo that I have for today. I like how all these products look together. So definitely you don't need this much primer, but that's what I'm working with now. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Rare Beauty foundation in the shade 210N, and I shake it so it doesn't flake on me. This foundation is very lightweight, but I love how it looks on my skin. A lot of people love this foundation, so. And I'm gonna blend it with a foundation brush, and then I'll do a blender. I know I look crazy. I'm gonna apply a little bit more on my cheeks because I've been looking really pink lately in there, which is funny because then we go with blush to make it pink. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using my Milk stick bronzer in the shade Blaze, this one. And basically I'm applying a lot of cream products because I feel that with cream products, like, the face looks a little bit more natural, if that makes sense. And I'm gonna apply a little bit from here on my nose, and that I will blend with a sponge. And for concealer, I'm going to be using the Rare Beauty concealer in the shade 200C. I really like this concealer. It's super lightweight. And I'm going to blend with the blender. And it blends so good with this foundation. Yeah, it looks like I have perfect skin, which obviously I don't have. And now I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty liquid blush in the shade Happy, just a tiny bit. I'm gonna blend it with the brush. And right now it looks like I have a lot of blush, but I promise it won't look like this when I blend it. Now I'm gonna blend it with the sponge. And now I'm gonna apply a little bit of the Rare Beauty liquid luminizer in the shade Flaunt, so we kind of have like a glow from within. Okay, and now to set my face, I'm gonna be using my favorite, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder. I usually don't take a long time doing this routine. I've been only filming for almost 15 minutes, so and I'm just setting the same powder everywhere. And now I'm gonna take off the excess with a fluffy brush. And we look matte when we apply the setting spray. We're gonna look good. So next I'm gonna be using my Milani Silky Matte in Suntan. And since we apply the cream products, we don't need to go with a lot of product on top. I just apply a little bit of powder, bronzer, and powder blush, so it's nice and set and it doesn't move throughout the day. And then for blush, I'm gonna be using the Milani Luminoso blush. And then I'm gonna set with the Milani Make It Last setting powder, which is this one. And I'm gonna use my fan from Dollar Tree. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows. And for brows, I'm gonna be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow, and I believe this is in shade, I believe it's ash brown. I think it's in shade number 3, so probably ash brown. And I'm just gonna fill in my brows. I think that's good for now. If you guys want a more in-depth tutorial on how I do my brows, please let me know and I can do a tutorial only for brows. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes real quick. And for mascara, I'm gonna be using the Essence Lash Princess mascara to my bottom and top lashes, and then I'll apply my falsies. I got this at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna apply them off camera and then I'll be right back with them on. Okay, so I already applied my lashes and we're gonna move on to lips. So to line my lips, I'm gonna be using the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Frenchie. I don't think they still have this, but you can do it with any red lip liner. Okay, and for lipstick, I'm gonna be using the rarebeauty matte lip cream in the shade Inspire, which is their red lipstick. I have used another color. I haven't used this one, but I really like the formula. Is very similar to the NYX lip creams. Oh, and now I'm gonna apply a little bit more of the rarebeauty liquid highlight just to have a little bit more flow. So I just noticed that I've been filming all this time with my son's sound machine on. But yeah, that's basically it for this look. It's very simple and your skin but better. I love this kind of makeup like this with bold lips because you can make a statement. I mean, you can always make a statement, but you know, this is perfect for the holidays. If you don't want to do like a lot of makeup, um you can just do your full face of perfect skin, you know, like your skin but better, and then add a red lip and you look perfect for the holidays. You look very festive. But yeah, I really like that Selena Gomez lip cream. It's like perfect and it's not drying. I love it. So yeah, what do you guys think of this look and of these products? Have you tried them? Let me know down below. And I really love it. So yes guys, thank you again so much for tuning in today to watch my Skin But Better routine. I'm gonna keep uploading more holiday looks. I just wanted to show you guys my daily routine with products that I really love, and like my makeup looks flawless. I really love these products. I can tell that these are my favorite skin products at the moment. Yeah. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notifications so you are notified every single time that I post a new video, which it will be weekly. I'm trying to make it weekly. And yeah, let me know down below what you think about this look, and let me know about any other products or looks that you guys want me to do, and I will film that for you guys. But yeah, make sure to subscribe. We're so close to 200 and I really want to reach it before the year ends. So please share this with your friends and subscribe, please. But yes, I'll see you guys on my next video.